Hi there, students. Payback. Okay, payback is a noun. I would classify it as a phrasal noun. It comes from the phrasal verb to pay back. Let's see, we use this noun payback in various different ways. Firstly, we use it informally to talk about revenge. I want some payback for what she did to me. Yeah? It's time for payback. Yeah? So to get revenge. They beat us in the final last year and now we're playing them again. So it's time for payback. Yeah? To pay them back for what they did. Time for retribution. Time for revenge or vengeance. Then we also use payback, meaning a benefit or a reward. So the company is getting payback from the money it has invested in extra benefits for employees. Okay, some sort of recompense. Let's see, you study English very hard, but your payback will come next time you are in a conversation with a native speaker. And then we also use payback in finance. So we can use it in finance in two different ways. Firstly, the payback could be the return on an investment. So this investment has a yield or a payback of 7%. Very often in business, we also talk about the payback period, the period of time that it takes to get back your initial investment. So the payback period for this project is 3 years. 3 years of profits will give back the initial amount that we invested in it, the initial amount spent. Okay, so payback. You can have the payback period for a loan. This is the length of the loan. So typically a mortgage, the payback period is 25 years. Yeah, that's the payback period. Okay, so payback, revenge. I want some payback. You will get payback from the amount of time you've invested in your English. Yeah, not necessarily financial. Yeah, it could be that you obtain benefit from it. It makes you feel good. Then a payback period, the amount of time that it takes to pay back an investment, to repay the initial investment, or the yield, the percentage yearly payback is 3%. And then the payback period of a loan is the amount of time which you have available to pay the loan back. Okay, so there you go. Payback. I think formality, payback, revenge, this is informal, maybe 3.5. Use it informally, maybe in a semi-formal conversation, but no more. I think payback, as in getting back a benefit, I think I would probably give it a 5 in formality, use it anywhere, and a payback period in finance, 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere as well. And as to origin, well, to pay back, lend me some money and I will pay you back next week. I will return it. And that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Payback.